Hi everyone, my name is Muhammad Haziq Hakim, and the purpose of this video is about I want to guide you on how to use the math platform, the name of EMathinstruction. EMathinstruction is the platform that you can use to find extra note or homework set or videos that have been provided by other educators. So this platform is very suitable to the both teachers and students to find extra notes that you can do at your home. So for teacher, just go to for teacher section and you can choose the genre of the math student that you teach. For example, I choose Common Core Algebra 1, and you can see there are few units about the algebra course that you can choose. For example, I choose unit 3 about function. So you can see many notes that have been provided there for every lesson in the unit 3 function. For example, about introduction to function or function notation. But if you want many features being unlocked, such as PDF answer key or word answer, so you can subscribe this web. So next, for student, also same like the teachers step. Just choose your math subject or a math topic or genre that you want to learn. For example, I choose unit 3 about linear function and equation and algebra. So you can see many lessons that have been provided in this section, such as PDF document and video that you can see at your home to make your knowledge and understanding in your topic more powerful. So that's all from me. I hope it give you the benefit in teaching and learning mathematics. Thank you.